For number 6, we want to do the following sequence of operations. They want to divide x by 4. So we're going to write that as a fraction, x divided by 4. Then they want you to add 16 to that. Then they want you to subtract 7½ from that sum, so minus 7 1/2. And then they want you to multiply the last result by 6. But they don't just want you to multiply 7½ by 6, which is what you would have to do here with order of operations. They want you to do the whole thing by 6. So the way we're going to do that is by putting parentheses around these. Now, we're going to go ahead and simplify what we can simplify, which is this part right here, 16 minus 7½. So if we do 16 minus 7 1/2, we're going to have, first of all, a total of 16. So we're going to get rid of 7½. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then get rid of half. So that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/2. So we would cut this 1 in half and make 15, and 15 and 2/2 is the same as 16. 2/2 minus 1/2 is a half, 15 is a half. 7 is 8, 8½. So this becomes 8½. Everything else comes down. The plus sign comes down, x over 4 comes down, parentheses, and the 6. Now we can't simplify in here, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the distributive property. We're going to multiply each thing inside the parenthesis times 6. So that means 6 times x over 4 plus 6 times 8 1/2. So to do 6 times x over 4, we're going to make both into fractions. Then we can simplify. Both 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that part becomes 3 over 1 times x over 2. And then 6 times 8½, we're going to do 6 over 1 times 8½. I'm going to make that into an improper fraction by cutting it all into halves. And now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 halves. So we can actually cancel. Both of those are divisible by 2, 3, and 1. So we get 3 times 17 over 1 times 1, which equals 51 over 1, which equals just regular 51. So then this part right here became less 51. Now our next step is to take this and do this multiplication here. 3x, 1 times 2 is 2, plus 51. Now, on the problem, they said if you had 3x over 2 plus your length, what would be in the blank? And the answer would be 51.